How to create new customer in Smplsale. To create new customer, click on customer. Here you see list of your existing customers. What's the outstanding balance and customer count. Click new, type the name of the customer. Well, here we type the business name, so let's say name of the person, contact name. If you want to set the limit, how much credit you want to give them, you can set the limit, number, phone number, cell number and contact number. Email address, text ID. If you have it right now, you can do it, or we can put it now or later on. Address and note. Click save, and you have created a new customer. If you want to view any of the customer detail, you can click on the customer right here. It'll give you the customer complete detail with their how much money they have given on which form, and you can leave the comment on it. To complete review of customer profile, please watch our video customer profile. For more information, please visit our website, smplsale.com. Thanks for watching.